Hello everyone and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be doing a quick review on Ideogram AI, where you can create whatever idea you have in mind. It's quite simple. So once you get to the website, you have to describe what you want to see and click on generate. So you can display also see people, products, you can see that have been designed and imagined, created, nature, postal, logo, t-shirt, so much more. Then you can also type in yours to see what it can do for you. Then we also have the creations. You have to sign in to be able to do this. We also have the canvas for better, and then we have batch. So there's so many things you can get done using Ideogram. Or once you have the idea, just put it in, describe what you want to see, and it will be generated. You want to create PM visuals and more, you must have an Ideogram account. So hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.